Jinan Ludiao CNC Equipment Company Limited is a comprehensive enterprise including R&D, production, sales, and after-sales service. With 12 years development, we have obtained China National High-Tech Enterprise Certification, 17 national patents, the National Intellectual Property Management System Certification, and CE certification. The company has a complete team from technical research and development, production, sale, and after-sales, ensuring customers have good purchase and after-sales support experience. The company annual production and sales exceed 2,000 sets of various equipments, meeting the needs of different industries. The company's main products are various types of CNC router, ATC CNC nesting machine, ATC CNC router, CNC cutting machine, metal fiber laser cutting machine, and other CNC equipment, CNC rotary saw cutting machine, automatic loading and unloading production line, 3D scanner, vacuum membrane press machine, vacuum forming machine, and other equipment. We can design and customize various special-shaped equipment, meet different needs of different customers. The company's products are widely used in furniture industries such as panel furniture, cabinet doors, advertising industry, stone carving processing industry, mold manufacturing industry, various stainless steel, carbon steel cutting and processing industries. With independent import and export license, our machines have been exported to Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and the United States, etc. We have won good praise from all over world's customers because of high-quality products and excellent after-sales service. Welcome new and old customers visit our factory.